Hi everyone, this is Sakshi Chaturvedi and welcome to my channel. So today's look is very special look to me because I have done a lot of research for today's look and it's all about rich Indian beauty, everything Indian yet modern. And I have taken henna as my main element because I think henna is just so beautiful, so Indian, so rich, the color, the pattern, even the fragrance. I don't know about you, but I really love henna's fragrance. It just calms my mind. And globally people are using henna in beauty industry. You might have seen people are using to make their fake freckles and lining their lips. So I thought, why not create a look out of henna using its pattern and colors. So yeah, today's look is all about that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go. I'm just quickly doing my makeup and I am fast forwarding you guys to the pattern. Bye. So now that I'm done with my makeup and it's very basic makeup, very nude makeup, I am taking this red body paint and I'm going to draw patterns, and I'm just taking reference from Pinterest so that I have idea like what patterns I want and where I want. And this look is going to be full on Mehndi patterns on my face. So let's do this. The body paint which I'm using is from Sanzaro and I'll link the product in the description box. And I'm directly going with the paint, and if you're like scared of going directly with the paint, you can simply just take your eyebrow pencil and start just draw the random patterns, and you can follow it with your body paint. So Mehndi patterns are very delicate and they are like very very neat and very clean. So if you are a Mehndi artist and you're watching this, I really salute you because it really takes a lot of patience to draw these very fine patterns. And yeah, you guys are really so talented and very amazing. So after doing 2-3 patterns, I am like grabbing this thing on, and now I'm getting ideas in my head and I'm just drawing randomly. I'm just going with the flow and I'm really enjoying this process. It's like therapy to me. I am just loving it. The color is just so pretty. I don't know if I need to add more on my face. I think this much is enough. I'll go on my neck area and I'll paint on my neck now, and I'll see if I need more patterns on my face afterwards, then I can add. But for now I'm just making stop on my face. Mehndi pattern has very beautiful line strokes. I mean, it's like a flow of line. It's somewhere thick and it's somewhere thin, and it's very beautiful. It's like something is flowing and it's very beautiful. I'm all done with the painting and now it's time for the hair. And whenever it comes to hair, my brain is dead. My brain doesn't work when it comes to hair. I don't know what should I do in my hair. I have to do some traditional hairstyle so that it matches the whole theme. So let's just see what I can do here. So as usual, I have done no drama in my hair and it's just sleek back hair, and I just feel like this hairstyle goes with everything, and it also makes my makeup stand out because there is no distraction. But I still feel like there is some wow element is missing from my look. So let's see what I can do. If you are judging me for using rhinestones, that's fine because I am judging myself too. But really rhinestone has become my element the day I have explored using rhinestone. Till day I just cannot stop using it. I don't know. It's like I am addicted to rhinestones. The day I'll stop using rhinestones will be the day that I'll explore something which is much more shinier than the rhinestones. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think of this and what else I could have added instead of rhinestones. So I really love to know your suggestion. Maybe it can help me. So yeah. So yeah, I'm all done and I'm just gonna go and shoot, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and any suggestion or what next look should I do are most welcome. Please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you recreate any of my look or any face art which you want me to see, please let me know by tagging me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is sakshi_chaturvedi_. I would love to see your work, and I'm definitely going to share your work over my Insta and my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, this was it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.